What's the juiciest rumor at your school that turned out to be 100% true? My 6th grade math teacher was super creepy. He would assign seats randomly, but always place the girls in the front of the classroom, did the whole lingering stare thing, and was very frank with the students, especially girls. Many students had objection about his weird behavior with other students. He was also very biased while giving scores for our tests. He was always trying to get people to hang out with him during lunch. I never did, but he was married and has a baby, so no one really suspected him of anything other than being creepy. Fast forward about 7 years, the teacher ended up being a sex offender. He had an ongoing relationship with a girl that began when she was 13. Based on what I could see from the various news articles, she was either in my year or the year before me. The police came to arrest him in the middle of his class, cut him in front of his students, and then have him walk throughout campus in cuffs to get to their car. I don't feel bad for him at all, but I can't imagine how his wife and son must feel.